Hi, parents. I just wanted to give you just a brief update of something that we've been working on, and just some strategies that came to mind as we were working on these today. And so one of the things that we were working on in Delta Math, which you might hear about, is to find the distance between numbers like negative 3.9, sorry, and let's just say 10.4. Okay, now there's a standard algorithm for doing this. If we want to find the distance between two things, we're going to subtract. And then if we're really thinking about distance, distance is always positive, so we'd be taking the absolute value. And that's great. And if your student knows all of that and the algorithm, that's fantastic. But in case they don't, something to just support them with making sense of this is to work with a number line. And you'll see this in the Delta Math assignment that we are working on. And the first thing is just to locate negative 3.9 roughly and 10.4. Now what I'm doing right here is called an open number line because I don't have any subdivisions in it. And it's a really powerful tool for thinking about arithmetic. And then what we want to think about is just some friendly numbers. So the next friendly number in here would be like negative 3, and then I'm going to go to 0, and then I'm going to go to 10. And I'm going to make jumps. So I'm going to make jumps from negative 3.9 to negative 3. Okay, and that would be a jump of 0.9. Now again, we're just thinking about the distance, and if we were going in that direction, it would be positive as well. But the direction really doesn't matter so much right now. That jump is going to be 3. This jump is going to be 10. And this jump right here is going to be 0.4. And then we can take the sum of those numbers. So 3 plus 10 plus 0.9 plus 0.4. And we can find that sum 13. And then this is 1.3. Now a lot of students at this point, or a good number of students would say something like 13, and you could validate them and say it would be 13 if it was 9 plus 4, but it's 0.9 plus 0.4, and give them that little bit of space right there, and most of them will click in and go, oh yeah, that's going to be 1.3. And so all the total then would be 14.3. Okay, and that's the distance between these numbers, all right? And so the open number line can be a tool to help support students making sense of what's going on. And that's a big thing that we're doing all year in everything that we do is try to make sense of the mathematics. Hope that you found that interesting. Thanks so much.